What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is an Antutu benchmark comparison between the Nubia Red Magic 3 against the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So we have the Snapdragon 855 versus the Kirin 980, 8GB of RAM versus 6, and the rest of the specs you can see on the sides. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the Red Magic 3 finished first and it scored a lot higher. Now looking at the breakdown of the categories, the Red Magic 3 scored higher for every single category. So that wraps it up for this Antutu benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing as I have more videos coming up. I am expecting the Redmi K20 Pro any day now, so there will be speed tests, benchmarks and camera comparisons. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, Thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.